My Ryobi cordless wet-dry vacuum didn't turn on, but now it's fixed. I did the typical troubleshooting steps. I checked the contacts. Now I'm inserting the battery. I'll turn the system on, off, on, no good. Off, on, no good. Then I'll check the battery. The battery's fully charged. Now here's the good part. I've removed the lid. The battery's in. I'll toggle the switch. Nothing's happening. This canister's the key. So we push it to the side. You'll see that corner deflecting. And you'll see that the motor goes on. The bottom of this canister needs to push against the bottom of the wet-dry vac. So I reassembled everything and everything worked just fine. Good luck to you.